Hi friends, in today's lecture, I will explain to you how to use the DSUM function of Microsoft Excel. So here I have a file with me in which I have the headings, item name, price, quantity and amount. And on the right side, I have created a table which shows me item name, quantity and amount. Now what I want is, if I type any item name from this list over here, then it should show me the total of that quantity from that particular list. And same way, it should show me the total of the amount for that particular list. So let me just explain to you how you can do the same. Let's assume I want to find out for the quantity total for CPU cooler. So here you have CPU cooler, so 20. Then again here you have CPU cooler plus 22. And again here you have CPU cooler plus 23. And again here you have CPU cooler plus 25 and 24 and 21 and 26. So it should show me that sum total over here. So let me explain you how to do it. So I'll type equal to DSUM, then I give open parenthesis. Now it is asking me the database. So I highlight the entire database including the headings. After that I give a comma. Now it is asking me to specify the field name which I want to total. So I click on quantity. Then I give a comma and now it is asking me the criteria. So I will select the item name and the content. And then I'll close parenthesis and hit enter. So it is showing me that the total for CPU cooler is 161. Let's change this to RAM and it will show me the total of quantity for RAM is 155. Let us try to do the same for amount. So I'll type equal to DSUM, open parenthesis. Again, it is asking me to first specify the database. So I highlight the entire database, including the headings. Then I give a comma. Then it asks me the field to total. So this time I want to total amount. So I will select amount. Then I give a comma. And now it is asking me for the criteria. So I select item name and the content. I close parenthesis and hit enter, and now it is showing me the total of amount for RAM. So friends, in this lecture we have seen how to use the DSUM function of Microsoft Excel. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.